As you guys are aware of the fact that we guys are facing, or we as a nation are facing, a deadly pandemic since last 5 months. Now, Alhamdulillah, it is under pretty much control because of the few sections of the society, especially doctors or as a frontline warriors with their army of paramedic nurses. स्टूडेंट्स, ये डॉक्टर्स के अकेले का या डॉक्टर्स का सेक्शन जो है सोसाइटी का, उन अकेले का काम नहीं था. नो डाउट डॉक्टर्स ने बहुत फाइट किया, वो फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स थे, लेकिन डॉक्टर्स के साथ साथ फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स में नर्सेस भी शामिल थी. Student, nursing is a sacred profession. We cannot deny their role for constructing a healthy society. Nurses skillfully and compassionately enter the intimate life world of the patient. They touch, wash, hold, and counsel patient and even their families. They clean bedpans, change bandages. They do everything to put the patient in the best possible condition to survive, we can say. They do everything to support healing. Mother Teresa, Florence Nightingale, ये दो बहुत बड़े नाम हैं जिन्हें हमेशा इंसानियत की खिदमत के लिए बहसीयत नर्स याद रखा जाएगा. Students, Sardar Hamza is back with another interesting topic, which is chapter number 9 in our course book, and the name of this chapter is All is Not Lost.